Okay, we just got to the thrift store and I want to do an actual like proper thrift with me today. I just fed baby. She woke up from a nap, so she's with her dad. So I should have like 2 hours to thrift, which I'm really excited about. I haven't been thrifting by myself in 3 months, almost 4 months, however old she is. So I'm excited to just like have some time by myself. I brought my headphones. I brought my Bloom greens. It's sunny today. I was in the mood for something iced. And then I have like things on my list I want to find. And also I want to like find spring trends for you guys that maybe I'll put on my whatnot. Or I'll just like show you guys. I don't always have to buy everything I like at the thrift store. But we're looking for like brown boots. I still want brown cowboy boots. I don't know how I don't have brown cowboy boots. I have black, but not plain brown. What else did I want? A knit maxi skirt, pleated maxi skirt, ruffle, mini skirts. I think that's it. Let me check. Thick belts and sweaters. But the reason I'm saying I want it to be like a proper in the store thrift with me is because I'm filming on my phone. Because I just feel a little bit more comfortable because it's the weekend and I normally never thrift on weekends, but like that's just how it worked out now that I can't just do whatever I want all the time. And I even brought my little phone tripod, so wish me luck. This thrift store is normally pretty crowded and it's kind of small, so I'm nervous, but I'm gonna get some content for you guys, so let's go. Okay, so right when I walked in, it was crowded, so I went to the baby section. I picked up way too much, and my cart was stolen. I'll talk about it later, so I was just already being angry. This fur jacket was so good, and I didn't know it was 50% off today, because all these jackets would have been 10 bucks. They were listed at 20, so I definitely would have picked up the other fur. This fur jacket was really cool, but the hood I wasn't obsessed with. But again, it would have been whatever, $13. This was only $4.50, so I decided to pick it up. I would have bought it for $9. This belt was exactly what I was looking for, but it just seemed cheap and kind of like it was already broken. Then I started looking at the skirts, and this was the wrong kind of pleat, but I wanted to show you guys that, yeah. This was the long white maxi, but it had a poop stain on it. Just kidding, but you know what I mean. And then this pleat was right, but I was just already hot and flustered, so I wanted to get out. I was being a straight up piss baby in there because as soon as I walked in, grabbed the cart, and I think I'm just like anxious with being without Lucy and also like just being out in public. I grabbed the cart and I already like, I hate getting a cart in this thrift store because this thrift store is really small and it's always crowded. It is so crowded today. So I'm just already overwhelmed and flustered. I think I'm like, I always describe it as claustrophobic when I have like too much going on around me, and I don't like that. I don't have everything just like, you know, close knit tight. So I hated pushing the cart. And then maybe it was a good sign somebody steals my cart because I walk away from it for a second and it was empty, and I was just like, it's a sign, like I just want to go home. So I was like, you know what, no, like I'm just gonna go straight to the baby clothes because I knew I was gonna find stuff, whether it was for me or from Amanda. My best friend Amanda's pregnant with a baby girl. So Amanda, if you're watching this, stop, because I'm gonna show some stuff I got for you. And then I find a bunch of stuff in the baby section, stuff that I was needing too for Lucy, because she's growing like a weed. So that made me feel better, and I got one thing for myself, but this whole bag of stuff was $14. And I didn't even stay there. I hate sitting here too because there's a drive-through right across and everybody can see me, but whatever. The thing is just like, I'm looking to see if I know any of them. I don't think I do. Let's go. Because it was 50% off today, and that's why so many people were there, but it was worth it. This for baby. It's either for Lucy or Amanda's baby. It's 3 months, so we'll see if it fits Lucy by the time. It looks big, but she's in 6-month clothing right now, and Lucy's 3 months. So this one is 6 to 9 months, so this will fit Lucy now. They're little Tommy Hilfiger leggings. Brandon will get a kick out of those. This one is 0 to 3 months, straight to Amanda, but it was too cute to pass up. I wanted more sweaters for Lucy because her belly button, you know, the like umbilical cord finally fell off, and like it looks perfect now, so I'm not scared of having her belly button out. So this cardigan I thought was cute for the springtime, to just like throw this on over a onesie with no pants. Super cute. That looks like a Zara thing that are like 20 bucks. This is adorable. Calvin Klein little white dress. So everything's like $2, but again, everything was 50% off. So I get why everybody was there today. Okay, this is for Amanda. I would totally keep this again if it would fit Lucy next winter, but it won't. It's 3 to 6 months, and Amanda loves Pooh Bear. It's a Pooh Bear bunting outfit. Baby pink. Like, so cute. This will fit Lucy now, but, you know. These little Carters, like, are my favorite. I'm sorry if this is boring. It's baby stuff. Why is the heat on? These are just the cutest. Like, it's a dress with a built-in onesie. She needs some more long sleeve onesies. I thought this Gap one was cute with like the embroidered logo. That's for Lucy. And this is for Lucy. Just like a little pink onesie, but it's got bows on the sleeves. That'd be so easy to add. And the last thing I got was that Eddie Bauer Sherpa, because I forgot everything was 50% off, and I picked it up and I was like, I'm not really gonna get it, but I'm gonna hold on to it. So this was $4.50. That's insane. That's such a good steal. I love these Sherpas too. So again, Jackson, if you want it, I'll give it to you because it's really nice, because I already have 2 Sherpas I wear all the time. But if you don't want it, I will wear it. That's everything I got. Is this me being a mom that I just shop online, or I shop for Lucy all the time and now Amanda's baby and never for myself ever again? Because if it is, I'm not mad about it. I am not mad about it. Okay, that's that. Maybe I'm gonna go home and do some online shopping. Even my Whatnot now, I shop on Whatnot all the time. They are not sponsoring this video, but I only shop baby clothes on there. So keep tagging me in Whatnot shows if you guys think I'll like stuff, because I'm probably over on a kid's show. Yeah, let's go home and thrift a little bit, because then I won't feel so, I might feel like I'm really relaxed right now, but it's because I'm in the car and I know I'm on my way home. But in there, I was just like kind of rushing because I didn't have Lucy with me. So maybe it is better to just bring Lucy to the thrift with me, but it's nice to be alone, but it's not, because I just miss her and I love her. Okay, see ya. Hi friends. So it's 7:30, but I've been up since 5. I promise once we're in the house, which hopefully is in like a month, my videos will start being, bless you, a little bit better. Right now, just being in a studio apartment with a baby and trying to work from home, chaotic. So I'm very sorry about these videos, but I hope you guys are still just enjoying them and seeing more, just like a sneak peek into my life. So I did end up coming home and thrifting a little bit. I decided to let myself shop on eBay because I've only been shopping on Whatnot, and I picked up a few things that I feel like you guys would want to see, and they've seemed like good steals to me. Yeah, thrifting in person is just gonna be hard for a minute because I did the same thing with Ernie. Like, I get anxious leaving my children. So let me show you what I got on eBay. Oh, I only got 3 things. So I picked up a pair of brown cowboy boots. I know that seems like cowboy boots. You know what? I'm gonna put the pictures on the screen. These just seem like perfect vintage, and they were only 30 bucks. They're my size if you guys want cowboy boots. Obviously, like, thrifting them in person will be the cheapest, but eBay has pretty cheap, way cheaper than like Depop. And then I wanted a black lace maxi dress. I mean, like, who doesn't right now? And I found this one, and it was only 24 bucks, but it's got like an opening up the front. So I figured I could just sew this slit, and then it's perfect, because every lace maxi I see is literally like 100 bucks, which is so stupid, but it's just because they're trending, and that's what I get for being late to the trend. Okay, then I really wanted, like I said, a white knit maxi. So this one's actually from Everlane, and it's a 2-piece little set. I think it's so cute, and I think these were the 3 pieces that I wanted to do like a Coachella lookbook. So that's that. Thanks for watching this video. I know it's kind of chaotic, my first thrift with me back. I'll get better at them again. I've been cooped up for so long, because I think I cooped myself up the last month of my pregnancy, just because I was scared of getting sick and having to like push a baby out. So it's been almost 5 months. I have not done anything. So I forget how to be in public, especially by myself. So I hope you guys just like understand why I'm a weirdo and things are hard for me. But I love you guys the absolute most. Make sure to stick around for more outfit videos, because that I'm comfortable with doing right now. I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye.